Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some items I picked up for my channel. And if there's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I saw this cute sign on Katie Budget's channel and Nursing That Budget. She had it on Instagram and I decided to purchase me one. And it is this beautiful sign displaying all your handles. Is that not beautiful? You choose the color. I chose purple, and then I chose for this to be like a rose gold. It may look yellow gold on camera, but yeah. So I picked this beauty up from Etsy, and I'll link all the information in the description box. So I just love it. I'm trying to decide, is it too busy with this wallpaper I got here, but we just gonna go with it for now. I like the way it looks. Yes. And I also picked up, I decided to start doing the A5 binder. I really like it because it gives you more room. Shout out to Black and Blue and Baddies and Budgets. They use the A5 binders, and I picked this one up off Amazon. It'll be in my Amazon storefront. So I like how big it is. I'll show you later on in the year what I'll be doing with it, but yeah. So this one was on sale for like $27, which may be a little pricey, but I went ahead and purchased it. So yeah, so it comes with this clear sheet. Then it has your personal data. Then it has your calendar for 2022 and 2023. Then I also went on there and went ahead and ordered me 10. I think it's 10, maybe 12 of these large envelopes. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I do with that in the future. And the last thing, I ordered me some Bath and Body Works candles. You know Mrs Vee has a sinking fund for candles. That's something I like, so I went ahead and purchased some. They were on sale, and plus I got free shipping, and so I went ahead and ordered me some for Mother's Day. Yay! So stay tuned. Okay, here are my candles. Now I like candles. I just love candles. They don't have to be Bath and Body Works or what's the other expensive brand? Yankee. To me, Yankees are more expensive than Bath and Body Works. But anyway, they just have to have a nice throw. So I like a clean scent, and so this is Blue Sky Breeze that I picked up from Bath and Body Works, and they were on sale for $12.95 and free shipping and handling if you order $75 worth. So I picked up 6 of them. I had $65 in my I can move this over since I've already featured this beauty. I had $65 in my candles envelope. Then I took like $10 out of my unbudgeted and $5 out of my Mrs Vee envelope. So I make it work. Anything as long as I don't have to use a credit card. That's my main focus. Champagne toast. I also got some lotion and spray champagne toast for Mother's Day to go with this candle. I love candles because they relax me. So that's part of my self-care. And this one, Southern Magnolia. It smells okay. Kind of smell like some grease that you put in your hair. But it's okay. Maybe sometimes they smell better once you light them. You know, I'll try anything once. I probably will not repurchase that one unless it really smells good once I light it. And this one is Pink Lemonade. I really got it for the packaging, just to tell the truth. It smells good. Yeah, I like this one. So if you would like to see my candle collection, let me know in the comment section. So we got white tea sage. I thought this would have a fresh scent that I like. I like the clean linens, and it's okay. It don't really have a throw. I don't really smell anything. I don't like the I don't do any of the fruit like the apple cider or cinnamon and all that. And this one says fresh spring morning. I thought this would be my scent. Let me see what it smells like. It sort of smells like a grease too, like a hair grease. So I probably won't purchase this one and this one again, but we gonna see. So yeah, so that's my haul. I got me a brand new sign. So I got the money out of this, out of marketing, out of my side income, out of that envelope. So that was fully paid for. Yes, I just love this cash envelope system. And my A5 binder, I picked that up out of I got that out of side income supplies, and then I got this out of candles. So I had a sinking fund for all these items. I did not have to go in my account, and I did not have to use a credit card. Yay! So that's it. That's gonna conclude this video. I just wanted to show you some of the new items you will be seeing in my video. So stay tuned. This is Mrs Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.
With money you can buy a clock, but not time.
Wow.
With money
Wow.
you can buy a bed, but not sleep. With money you can buy food, but not appetite. With money you can buy a doctor, but not good health. With money you can have insurance, but not safety. And this is the problem that we all have. There are things that you cannot buy with material wealth, with money.